Hello everyone, my name is Yvette. I am a college advisor by day and a life coach by night. If you're new to my channel, subscribe. I finally reached 1,000 subscribers and I am so excited. I can't wait to make more informative content and I have a lot of ideas that I just cannot wait to put out. So stay tuned. Today's video is going to be about how to make money on YouTube. These are like tips that I really wish I would have known when I first started YouTube last year. I completely started without knowing anything. I just thought that you could just post a video and as long as it was good, you would get views, and that's not what happened. And you also don't get paid when you start posting videos on YouTube right away. So I'm going to share the ways that you can make money on YouTube even if you're not monetized. And monetized means when you reach the 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, that's when you can start putting ads on your video. But until then, you can't make money directly from YouTube. So these are the ways that you can make money through YouTube without being monetized. YouTube is the largest search engine aside from Google. So you get a wide variety of an audience, which I love. So even if you don't have a following on Instagram, Facebook, any other social media, you still are able to gain one through YouTube. This was great for me because I took a break from social media for about like 10 years and I just got back on social media last year. And so I didn't have a following. I just pretty much started from scratch and, of course, besides friends and family. So being able to build that following with YouTube has been really amazing because I get to reach a larger audience of people that would have never known about me before. I started my YouTube channel because of my life coaching business. My life coaching business is to help students who are interested in social work figure out the different ways that they can find their purpose or what they really love to do. I found what I love to do, and I didn't know at the time that a master's in social work could take you there. So I want to help people find what they love to do through my life coaching business. But in order for me to get people to know who I am, why I'm qualified to do what I do, all of that good stuff, I felt like a YouTube channel would be a great way to do that. And it has done that. If you have a small business, feel free to leave it down in the comment box below. I would love to support in any way that I can. So the first tip that I would give to make money on YouTube is to start a business and then do videos for your target audience so that they can book your business. So for example, if you're a fitness person, you can do videos, exercise videos. You can do videos on health, making smoothies or meal plans, things like that. And that would allow you to get an audience of people who like that, who like watching videos on that. And then if you put your link on the bottom to book a consultation or a meal plan or anything like that, you can make money that way. And you can do this with any field. So let's say you are a student who just graduated from nursing school and you pass your NCLEX. You can have tips, study tips, or you can have a study guide for students who want to pass as well. And you can use that as a way to make money. Oh, another idea. If you have a resume cover letter business, you can show tips online of how to improve your resume and you can get clients from that. If you're interested in the fashion industry and you like creating clothes, designing clothes, looks, styles, different things like that, you can make YouTube videos doing try on hauls. Those do really well on YouTube. And then from there, people can get to know you and know what you do and then book your services. So it could literally be any field, from education to fitness to fashion to makeup, beauty, anything that you are good at, that you like, that is your niche, your passion, that is what you should choose to do. So bottom line is you can make money through your YouTube videos if you tailor it towards your clients that you would like to work with. The second way you can make money through YouTube, which when I learned about, I was so happy. I was like, why didn't I know about this before? Is through affiliate links. So affiliate links is a link to, let's say, for example, Amazon, that is your personal link. And when people buy from that link, and it could be any product. So you can put the link for, let's say, an exercise machine. But if someone within 24 hours buys a book from that link, you get money from that purchase. So it is so great because if you do make a video about something, anything, and you put the Amazon links in the description box, people are bound to click on it and buy something within that 24-hour period, and then those that money goes to you. The percentage of that money goes to you. So those are the passive ways to make money. And you could do affiliate links with different organized or different companies. So it doesn't have to just be Amazon. There's a lot of other affiliate link companies that you can look into and do links for. And you can definitely make money through that. I've made over $100 from Amazon. And that is just like passive income besides any, like my business, besides anything else. So that I highly, highly recommend. Another way you can make money through YouTube is through sponsorships. And what that means is basically partnering with businesses and they pay you to promote their product. Most of the time, you probably won't get sponsorship opportunities when you're a small YouTuber, like a really, really small. So starting off like 100, 200 subscribers, you may not be able to get those, at least not paid. But I would recommend partnering with small businesses because it's a way for both of you to win and share audiences. Another way to make money through YouTube is to sell a product, merchandise, and this could be something that is relatable to your brand. So as I mentioned before, if you start a business for fitness, then you can sell things that are fitness related. You can sell merchandise for your brand. So if your name is like JJ's channel, then you can sell Team JJ things. So you don't even have to sell physical products. Like if you want, you can sell cups, mugs, things like that, t-shirts. But you can also sell digital products, which are like the new wave. That's like ebooks, webinars. So for example, if you're a chef and you love to cook, you can sell like your recipes through an ebook and make money that way, which is so much easier too, because once you have the copy of the book, you can send out the link to whoever is interested and they can buy as many of them as they want. All of those things are ways for you to make money, but of course, you have to have an audience in order for people to buy from you. And that's what I'm going to talk about in the next clip about marketing. Once you make these videos, you have to market them. So maybe, I don't know if everyone knows this, but when I first started YouTube, I literally thought you can just post a video and it would find its way to people. And that is not always the case, like at least not in the beginning. So you have to market, you have to figure out where your audience is and how you can get it to them. You kind of have to be everywhere. So LinkedIn, Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, Reddit, like all groups. You have to be in all social media platforms just so you can put it out there to the different areas and find which area is best for you. So if you are interested in, or if you're doing content about nursing, you would want to find where nursing students would be. So there's like allnurses.com, things like that. So you would market towards that audience. If you have any questions about my YouTube journey or anything about how I started a YouTube channel, feel free to leave it down in the comments box below. If you want me to make a video about anything pertaining to this topic, I will definitely love to do that. So just leave your suggestions down as well. Hope this video was helpful and see you later.